Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to contact Bybit customer support. So launch Bybit app on your phone, click your avatar icon at the top left, and then press the headphones icon here at the top. Right? All you got to do is just scroll up and down and find the support hub button. Just press it, the last one on the bottom right. And then you're going to see that I haven't made any dispute or claim or even like a ticket. So I'm gonna hit the pencil icon at the top right to establish or create a new one, and then select or submit your case. Maybe you have a problem with P2P trading, deposits, withdrawals, etc. And select an option, right? Be specific. I encounter issues with my deposits, and select an option. One click buy, crypto deposit or fiat deposit. Be more specific. I didn't receive crypto coins. A successful transaction. All you gotta do now is just enter your account UID or your ID, basically, your email address, your account registered mobile number, if any. Enter the service provider used, right, for this transaction, and add a description, right? Once you add the description, you're gonna upload, of course, a supported video or photo to basically support your claim. Basically, that this is the problem. I walked and did everything to the T, and I still have this problem. And once you're done, hit submit a case, and Bybit's customer support will reach out via your email in a matter of 24 to 48 hours, basically. So consider liking this video, subscribing within working days, obviously. See you in the next one.